Understanding cleanup time. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase that we often hear in daily life: cleanup time. Whether you're at home, work, or school, understanding this phrase can be very handy. So, let's dive in and make sense of it together. Cleanup time refers to a designated period when a group of people or an individual is expected to tidy up a space. This could involve putting things back in their places, throwing away trash, or organizing a cluttered area. It's often used in communal environments like classrooms or at the end of an event. You might encounter cleanup time in various settings. For instance, a teacher might announce it when a class period is ending, or a parent might use it to signal to their children that it's time to tidy their rooms. In the workplace, this phrase might be used at the end of a meeting to restore a conference room to its original state. Engaging in cleanup time is not just about cleanliness, it's a sign of respect and responsibility. It ensures that a space is pleasant for everyone to use and teaches valuable life skills, especially in communal living and working situations. To help you understand better, here are a few examples. Kids, it's clean up time. Please put your toys back in the box. The party was great, but now it's clean up time so we can leave the hall tidy. After the workshop, we allocate 15 minutes for cleanup time. I hope this video has helped clarify what cleanup time means and how you can use it in your daily life. Remember, it's not just about cleaning. It's about caring for your environment and the people you share it with. Keep practicing your English, and you'll be mastering phrases like this in no time. See you in the next video.